I have
4,
2 seconds left.
3.
Just two more seconds. Dude, it's not textured, bro.
Oh, why am I wasting time? We've got 51 minutes.
I have no plan at all. I'm done for.
In this video, I'll be competing against a very talented Blender artist, Dustin Does 3D, to recreate a famous landmark, but with a twist. The rules are as follows. We will have 10 minutes to collect assets and reference, then we will have 1 hour in Blender to make our render, and then we will have 20 minutes after that to spice it up in Photoshop. And lastly, we can only use free assets from either Sketchfab or assets that we have previously created. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe, and Dustin and I will make more videos like this. Anyways, let's find out what we'll be trying to recreate. Okay, so we're just about to see which location we're going to recreate. So let's just go. Ooh, Leaning Tower.
The Leaning Tower, okay.
I hope there's a Sketchfab model for that.
Yeah, I'm not modeling that.
Okay, let's see what's happened to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Ooh, ancient.
It's already kind of ancient though, isn't it?
Well, I mean, that's not too bad, right? 10-minute timer. Okay, so the 10-minute timer for reference and model collection starts now. Let's go. You know, actually, the Leaning Tower of Pisa just looks like a Max Hay model.
Kind of does, actually.
like all the repeated archways. At this point in the process, I'm just trying to find some good reference images and get some free models off Sketchfab, because I know I won't have time to create most of them myself.
Fine.
Okay, so timer is done, and it's time to start this in Blender, man. So I'm going to pull up a 1 hour timer. How am I feeling?
Yeah.
Pretty good, honestly. I mean, the viewers can have a look at my pure ref to see my ideas. I think I've got a good story.
I have no plan at all. I'm waffling. I don't know. I'm lost. I'm done for.
Come on, you're fine. Let's go now. Cool.
All right.
Timer has started. So you can see here that at the start, I'm really just trying to add in as much as possible. I'm getting in the landscape, I'm getting in the camera, just trying to see what it looks like. And yeah, I really didn't do anything too fancy here, just trying to get an idea of what it's going to look like.
Okay, you know what? This is going to work out for me. I have no plan. I'm just making and moving stuff.
So here I was just kind of playing with the sky texture. I think I spent a bit too much time on it, but I'm just trying to get some lighting in as quickly as possible. Oh, why am I wasting time? We've got 51 minutes.
Oh my god. How do I make a circle like? Oh my goodness.
I wanted to start texturing the tower as quickly as possible, so I just went to Polyhaven, downloaded some PBR textures just to get something on there so that I wasn't left with this white, plain looking tower. Oh, that's
so
nice.
long ago. What's nice?
Nothing, just a texture.
Oh!
Ooh.
Oh my god.
That's nice. Then from here, it was just filling out the rest of the scene with the landscape in the background, making sure the materials were properly UV projected onto my object. And then to add some more, I don't know, look to the PBR textures, I mixed two together so it wasn't just, you know, one tiled repeatedly over the other. Then I added in the caveman, as you can see here. That's just a free model off Sketchfab. Because it was a T-pose and there wasn't any rig, I just had to improvise. So I had to use proportional editing to move his arms around, so it looked a bit janky. But it ended up fine in the final render. Then, you know, you have the UFO, as you can see here, the campsite. The UFO was really kind of simple. It was just like a model again and a volume with a emission plugged into volume for the thing coming out the top. And then, of course, for the ground, I mixed in two PBR textures together. Really wasn't spending that much time texturing. As long as it looked half decent, it was fine. And then the final 5 minutes, I just made the UFO pull the tower across and added in some grass using the Botanic add-on. 7, 6, 5,
No, I have
4,
2 seconds left.
3,
Just two more seconds.
2, 1. Hand off. The timer just finished, so hand off the mouse, Dustin.
Can I texture this, please? I'll slap it on. Dude, it's not textured, bro. Please, okay, wait. I'll just slap it on. Just quickly, a little boop, 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 boop.
Okay, fine. Just so everyone knows, Dustin is getting an extra, like, 2 minutes to add textures on top. So after we render, we will then have, let's say, 20 minutes in Photoshop to spice it up and make it look a bit better. And then we will have to finish that and show each other our render. 3, 2, 1, start.
30.
The 20-minute timer has started. Now, in Photoshop was really the fun part for me because we could just go into the camera raw filter and just have fun, you know, just pull curves around, add some effects. Add grain, because grain just makes everything look nice. You know, I even went into like the highlights and the shadows, pulled that around, add some more curves, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. But basically, I just, you know, Photoshop added so much to this render, and it adds so much to every render that you do.
We're done?
Yep, we're done.
Alright, I'm done.
I'm done. Okay, so we've done after doing the 1 hour in Blender and the 20 minutes in Photoshop. And now we're going to send each other our renders.
Ready? I'm
as
looking.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Holy wow. You went a completely different direction. Damn, that's sick, though. What?
Yeah, yours is dope, too.
Yours
I
is
wasn't
like got a
expecting. I
whole...
like how it's leaning because of the UFO. That's creative, bro.
Yeah, exactly. That's the story that I was telling.
From
Man,
like a
nice.
story perspective, honestly, yours is better.
Yeah, but from a render perspective, man, you got more stuff in there. So it's been a day after the challenge, and here's the results. Dustin wins, 84% to 16%. I mean, nice
And
one,
that
man.
is a landslide victory.
Well, yeah, I think yours is really good, honestly. I mean, why don't we, while we're here, just talk about like what we could have done better? I'll go first since I'm the one that lost. I think what I could have done better is, honestly, if there was an asset on Sketchfab that was free, I would have just chucked in like some village huts or something. Because in this Instagram story, which by the way, follow Dustin and me on Instagram, the links will be below. But yeah, like I kind of think I needed like some village hut or something more to show these people, because you can't even tell that they're there. I like the idea. I like the grass. I think it turned out pretty well. I'm happy with it. What about you, Dustin?
I agree. I think your idea was very clever. It's like very creative.
Thanks.
If I had more time to fix mine up, I think I would just adjust the textures a little bit more. If you zoom in, you consider it kind of shaky.
Nah, man, I think both of ours was really cool. And for an hour as well, in our first challenge, because I think we'll be doing more of these. I think we did really well, both of us.
For sure, yeah, 100%.
Thanks, man. That was fun.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Me and Dustin found this really fun to record, so we'll definitely be doing some more, especially if you make sure to like and subscribe this video. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching all the way through. Make sure to join my Discord, links in the description. Make sure to follow my Instagram and Dustin's Instagram as well. And yeah, keep going with Blender. You got this.